A deadly trend is hurting Big Bend communities.
ABC 27's Candace Blake talks with doctors who warned about the long-term effects that could be irreversible.
Both my EMS crews, as well as our ER, has seen a sudden spike in drug overdoses, and mainly opiate-based drug overdoses.
6 deaths have happened in Gaston County. Doctors warn that the effects of fentanyl can range from premature death to more long-term effects.
They can cause long-term psychosis, some issues, mental health issues that maybe weren't present before. Regardless of if they're still taking fentanyl, it's still taking any kind of narcotic, that stuff stays forever.
Depending on response time, first responders can revive patients with Narcan, a drug that can reverse the effects of an overdose. Even still, with the revival of patients, the damage is already done.
Some other effects that can happen if it takes a while to get the Narcan on board. If they don't have oxygen in their body, they can have death into the cells, into the brain cells, and then have long-term effects from that.
Detectives with the Leon County Sheriff's Office says fentanyl can be present in other drugs such as marijuana. Though most people are familiar with its powder form, it can exist as a liquid as well. People could become subject to it without even knowing. The Leon County Sheriff's Office is working to combat the spike in drug overdoses.
Media Relations Unit has been trying to get information out and warn people about that. One of the big things is trying to let young people know that experimenting with any kind of drug has some pretty huge risks.